If a century ago someone would have told me something is viral, I would have immediately assumed that it was some sort of disease. However, today most people would associate the word viral with the latest meme taking over the internet. Or just ask Will Smith to punch Chris Rock at the Oscars and there you have your latest viral content of the week. A piece of content going viral on the internet has major benefits for any company or brand. It means it becomes so popular that people continuously share it online, and it can even linger on your social media feeds for weeks. But going viral is anything but luck, at least for brands. It's easier if you just punch Chris Rock at the Oscars. In this video, I will talk all about how to make a successful viral loop and the best practices in order to make it profitable. I will also review some examples from previous viral loops that brands created that have been successful. So let's jump right in. Let's start by defining what a viral loop means to a brand. For brands, a viral loop is a continuous influx of referrals for your product from previous customers that leads to continuous growth. A viral loop basically helps influence your existing customers to share your product with their social networks. So isn't this like word of mouth marketing? Well, sort of. See, viral loops have the added element of virality in them. This means you put mechanisms in place for your current customers to spread the word about your company. So here's how a viral loop works. It consists of 6 stages. Firstly, the purchase stage. A person starts using your product, they like it, and they keep using it. They turn into a new customer. Secondly, the desire to share stage. This is where you offer them some sort of incentive if they refer your product to someone else. Thirdly, the share stage. If the new customer likes the value that you are offering in this exchange, they will start sharing your product with others. Fourthly, the C stage. This is where the social network of the new customer start receiving the invites. Fifthly, the referral install stage. This is where the social network of the new customer start accepting the invites and start using your product. And sixthly, the cycle repeats stage. This one's pretty self-explanatory. The cycle just starts from stage number 1 again. So here are some examples of great viral loops. The best examples for this are Dropbox and Uber. You've probably used Dropbox if you've used the internet before. And most likely, you have accepted Dropbox invitations from your friends, and you've also sent some. I mean, why wouldn't you? You get free storage space if you do. There are 3 things we can learn from Dropbox. The first thing is to make a 2-sided incentive system that benefits both parties. The second thing is to make it frictionless. Have multiple ways people can share your product with their friends. And lastly, make sure people can track the progress they have made using the referral program. This will keep them motivated, and it will also show the impact that the referral program has made in their experience using your product. Uber did something similar with their referral program. When the company started in 2009, hopping into a stranger's car was a little bit sketchy, and so they had to build trust. They did this through their referral program. After someone signed up with Uber, they got their first ride for free. They then got a notification with a personalized link to share with their friends. If one of their friends signed up to Uber with the personalized link, they would both get credit for their next ride. The takeaways here are to ask for a referral when the user is at a high and is most excited about your product. You don't want to be asking for referrals way too early on or way too late after that high. Secondly, streamline your referral process. It should be easy to use, otherwise it won't work. So what are the advantages of a viral loop? Firstly, it establishes trust. No one needs to tell you that people don't trust businesses as much as they used to. So how can we solve this with viral loops? According to Nielsen, 92% of people trust the recommendations from friends and family over any other type of advertising. So when you create a viral loop and people share your product with their friends and family, the trust you build is way stronger than if you would run a Google ad. Secondly, it's cost effective. Creating a viral loop is way less expensive than running a targeted Google ad. All it takes is a tool where viral loops can be seamlessly done. No need to pay for targeted ads. All you need is to find the right time in the customer journey to ask for a referral. Thirdly, you get high qualified leads. According to a Social Media Today report, marketers rate referrals as the second highest source of quality leads. That same study shows that 78% of B2B marketers claim that referral programs produce good or excellent leads. This shouldn't come as a surprise because if someone shares your product with a friend, it will most likely be with a friend that they think is going to be interested in that product. Furthermore, if someone isn't interested in your product, they simply won't engage with the viral loop. This way, you eliminate leads that are not qualified while collecting leads that are highly qualified. And fourthly, you get exponential growth. If your viral loop is set up correctly, your call to action is asked at the right time, and users see the value in sharing your product, then it has the possibility to have a snowball effect that can lead to exponential growth. Just look at this graph of Facebook's growth. Their referral program definitely experienced the snowball effect. Types of viral loops. Firstly, basic viral loops. This includes giving a basic offer that will incentivize users to share your product with their friends in order to get more of the product. Dropbox is the perfect example of this. Secondly, value-driven viral loops. This is a two-sided referral program where both the referrer and the recipient benefit from it. This has two major benefits. Firstly, if the recipient also gets value from the invite, it is more likely that it will be accepted. And secondly, your existing customers will see more value in sharing your product because their friends can also benefit from it. It's a win-win situation. Uber is a great example of this. When the referrer sends the invite and the recipient accepts it, they both get credit for their next ride. Thirdly, savings-driven viral loops. This is exactly what it sounds like. By using the referral program, the user will be able to save money on your product, either with a discount code or a coupon code. A good example of this is Shoeboxed. They offer users a 10% discount off their monthly payment for each successful referral. The recipient also receives a 10% discount, which makes this a value-driven viral loop as well. And fourthly, charity-driven viral loops. This referral program promises to give back to the community in exchange for a referral. Amazon's online pharmacy PillPack is a great example of this. They donate $100 to the organization RX Art for each successful referral. Elements of a successful viral loop. When creating your viral loop, it is essential to have a well-thought-through funnel and referral framework before running your campaign. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, make sure your viral loop has value for your customers and is also cost-effective for your company. Secondly, use a dual-sided referral program to experience higher engagement rates. Thirdly, create cumulative rewards. Set up a system where users can keep earning rewards every time they have a successful referral. Fourthly, figure out your loop's entry point. When and where are users invited to refer? Fifthly, make sure it is easy to use your referral program and it is also seamless where they have many options to share with their friends. Sixthly, analyze and test each step of your viral loop to make it more effective. And lastly, optimize, optimize, and optimize. This will provide better results and can help you reach that snowball effect. So how do you create a viral loop? Now that we have gone through all the basics that you need to know before creating your viral loop, let me show you how easy it is to set it up without having any coding skills. Firstly, head on over to Involve Me and go to the template gallery. Here I will click on Use Cases and then go to Review Funnels. I will select the G2 review funnel. I'm going to make this a Netflix referral program. So I will just change the text and then I will head on over to the outcome page that is titled Good. I will just make the text share Netflix with your friends for both you and your friends to get 10% off next month. Then I will add the social share content element onto the page, and under title, I will write where would you like to share your product. And I will add Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. Then I will go to Settings in Social Share and tick the box that says Let Participants Share Their Outcome. Now I'm going to customize the sharing title, the sharing description, and upload a sharing image. Once that's done, I will click on Publish, and I will set up email notifications. So just scroll down to email notifications and tick the box that says send custom email to participants. I will also tick the box that says send different emails for each outcome and select good. Here I will make the sender name Netflix and I will write in the subject, thank you for sharing our product. And then I will just customize the body of the email. And that is how simple it is to set up a viral loop and also ensure that you have several methods in which your users can share your product with their friends. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye!